welcome to the video. We're going to be doing a foundation wear test today. It is very early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to be doing a foundation review wear test today. This is the LA Colors Skin Tint Natural. I read on the website that it is supposed to have a natural looking finish. It's supposed to be like a buildable coverage. I would say it looks very Y2K with like the holographic. And I use it almost every other day or every other time I put on makeup, and I've been enjoying it. And I'm gonna wear this until about noon for over 6 hours about. I'm a makeup enthusiast, so I wear all the other things on my face when I do foundation wear tests. I do my moisturizers, I do my primer. I'm gonna be trying a new primer today, but I heard that it was really good. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. light to medium coverage Set It Right Correcting and Brightening Setting Powder. Put on moisturizer, I put powder on. I'm gonna do like a 6-7 hour wear test, and I'll update you guys around like 1 o'clock today. Okay, I have colors caramel and toffee. I usually just go with the lighter one until things are working out. I did a wear test on this foundation, which is not edited yet, so I'm gonna input that footage. That'll be day 1, and this is gonna be day 2. You're gonna see footage from 2 days because I'm doing a 2-day foundation wear test. I have oily eyelids, I have oily cheeks, and I have hyperpigmentation here, which is like, you know, discoloration. So if I want to look amazing, I have to use a powder. Okay, let's just spread it out because I have a lot on here now. Okay, so you can see the color is buildable. It's not full coverage. The natural skin-like finish happening here, it does look natural. It looks like my skin with just a little bit of tint. The color will warm up a little bit. I'm gonna add bronzer and things like that. Later in the day, you're gonna see that this still looks like a natural skin product. You're gonna know, like, okay, this person is wearing makeup. I like that, but it also doesn't look over the top. You've seen it already go a long way. I just wanna see if I can build this. So let's see. And I'm gonna disperse it a little and look a little crazy without it being totally dispersed. But with makeup, you just have to, with makeup, you usually just have to trust the process. It's not done until you're done. This looks so good. My face is fully covered. Let's go ahead and continue with all the other cream and powder products. I had one sales lady complain that I was buying a face product that was just not the right color for me, but I didn't feel like going into a whole story about why I was buying that color. You should never have to do that. If you want to buy it, let you spend your money. That's what you want. I didn't ask for advice or anything, but she was just really bothered and letting me know with her body language, also with her words, just saying, this isn't a good match for you. She was seriously super bothered. All right, I'm just doing a little bit of cream contouring. Let's see how well this cream foundation product blends with some cream contour. Okay, so you see that little shadow definition I gave myself just to make this look natural again, just to make my face look natural again. So you see what I mean by just making the color look a little bit more natural. The wear test has already started, just in case you're wondering like how I do this. If you've never seen any of my other wear test videos, check them out, but this is exactly how I do them. The wear test starts when I put the product on my face. So it blended well into my skin. It's a good color for me. I used the caramel one and it looks pretty good. This is just the Soft Glam Concealer by e.l.f. Oh, such a good concealer. Nice full coverage, which I actually enjoy that I'm using because the foundation is like medium buildable. Like I can still see a little bit of hyperpigmentation here. I will probably always gravitate toward full coverage products. My eyelids are super oily. I'm probably gonna need to set those. I'm gonna use a product I've been loving so much, the Wet n Wild. This is Peekaboo color. It's the new blush. It doesn't say the name of the blush on here, but it's like this like spongy mousse, extremely I can't get my nail in there with the nails. I can't get my finger in there with these really pretty nails, so I'm not gonna try to do that. But this is extremely pigmented color by Wet n Wild called Peekaboo, which I love. So cute. And all the products I've been using so far are cream. So I need to blend this all in. This all needs to get, yeah, I'm super excited to be using these products today. I need to blend this all in. I know my powder is going to make it look like this blush is not as pigmented as it is. And I'm not gonna use like a powder blush on top, just the cream is enough for today, literally just running errands. Trying to figure out like where my son is gonna go to school, what school do I like. Heard nothing but good things about all the e.l.f. products that have come out this year. I feel like every year e.l.f. comes out with a huge drugstore makeup like starter kit. We'll start with the powder where I get the most oily, where I put all of that primer, which is right here on, it's actually on my eyelids and my cheeks. So I'm just gonna dab it on. I guess we're sort of letting it bake, you know what I mean? Just let it sit for a little while and then brush it in. I guess it's just like knowing your kid is gonna be somewhere without you for like hours during the day feels like I need to go into each situation, meet everyone, and be on high alert because these people are supposed to be, you know, caring for your child the way that you would outside of your presence for how long are kids at school? 6 or 7 hours a day? Private school, public school, whatever it is. I feel like I could go ahead and do my lips while all the powder sits because I want to give this product a really good chance against my oily skin. I mean, it's a regular natural face-based product, natural finish face-based product, buildable, so it should be okay, but we're gonna see. I used this little lippy on TikTok the other day, like a more brown tone one, but I really liked it. In the review, I think I was telling you guys that this LA Girl Glazed Lippy Lip Serum, like it lasted a few hours and the after effect was it wasn't there as potent as it was because I was laughing, talking, I drank stuff like water and things like that, but my lips felt moisturized afterward, almost as if like I'd used petroleum jelly. My lips actually felt cared for and conditioned. They didn't feel like super chapped like a bunch of hours later. I left it a good review on TikTok. That was my first time using it. This color is pretty. Okay, let's blend all the powder in. It can be kind of scary using like a bunch of color tone powder on my face, you know, something that's not just like a light brown on my face or translucent all over, but I'm getting out of that because how am I going to do a full review on stuff for you guys if I just like don't use the product because it's a color? That doesn't make any sense. Huda Beauty came out with a bunch of like colorful powders recently and I want to try those out. So I'm just starting with the e.l.f. the e.l.f. setting powder, like the one I just used now. And it looks pretty good. It's like the pinkish tone set of colors. But like I said, you're going to see footage from 2 days. The L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. The wear test has begun. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning now. I've been doing this for about 45 minutes. So let's go ahead and just do the rest of the day. And we're literally just moisturizing the lips. I really, really like that LA Girl product. Okay. All right, guys, I'll see you in a minute.
I want a K-pop. That's why K-pop? Yeah. Mom, Dad, 2 coffees? Look at this. Look at this.
You want 2 coffees? He knows you want.
Wait a minute, 2? Please. We're actually here to buy coffees for the teacher. Guess it's been about 4.5 hours. So you're gonna see footage from the 2 days. This day that I wore it, it was so humid out. It was a great day to test out a face base. This product was doing amazing. I don't have like my studio lights and stuff because we're in the middle of moving. This is over 6 hours later. Over 6 hours later, the makeup's It still looks good. Hasn't really creased much at all around my nose. And the eyelids either. This did really, really well under the eyes. You'll get to see the makeup when we go under the freeway overpass in all different types of light. Look how great it still looks for 10, 11 hours of wear. At 8 o'clock at night, my daughter and I took this photo. I was super glowy, but that was like a different day I wore it. This last picture was a day that I had freshly put it on. This is amazing. Try it out.